His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa's address. Zanabina mashuko kudanyo kwa pangwa in the last our Politburo meeting. Yetu wani mtukamiri wenyika. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. TV nama updates. Anubudanyo kwa chinzi. The meeting coincides with the Heroes and the Defense Forces commemorations honoring those who sacrificed for Zimbabwe's independence and sovereignty. The party is urged to reflect on its revolutionary history and chart transformation models unique to Zimbabwe's circumstances. Recent constitutional amendments have reinforced the trust in the ZANU-PF, requiring enhanced execution of responsibilities. Governance must balance expanding national wealth with improving citizens' well-being under Vision 2030. Mineral exports, manufacturing, tourism, and infrastructure are contributing positively to GDP under the Second Republic. IMF commendations and admission into the BRICS new development bank highlight policy, integrity, and broaden financial opportunities. Development must be tailored to local conditions with party structures, ensuring no district or province is left behind. Strong grassroots mobilization, cadre recruitment, and capacity building workshops are consolidating ZANU-PF's organizational strength. Emphasis is placed on policy outcomes and resolutions of the National People's Conference rather than attendance members or hosting quality. The party is supreme over government, and the cadres must faithfully implement party policies without dissonance. Rural industrialization strategies, peace and harmony are recognized as pillars of sustainable national progress. Citizens are called to reject counter-revolutionary elements, sustain momentum towards Vision 2030, and honor fallen comrades, including national heroes and victims of tragedies. Though the address, comment section this address. Comment section subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.